Hi, are you a beginner wanting to learn how to do calligraphy? Just love calligraphy but really don't know how to get started? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Diane Foisy and welcome to my channel, Calligraphy by Diane Foisy. Here I will be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to do calligraphy. I will be also demonstrating on how I do some of my calligraphy projects professionally for other people. And I will also share some quotes that I do like as well. So there'll be lots of little tidbits here and there. I've taught thousands of people on how to do calligraphy, starting from the age of 8 years old on up to people in their 70s and 80s actually. So you're never too young or too old to begin calligraphy, that I can tell you. And all my students can do beautiful calligraphy, so there's no such thing as a failed calligraphy student either. I have my step-by-step technique is very well demonstrated. Besides teaching calligraphy to students and to those who want to learn calligraphy, I've also serviced professionally my calligraphy. My work has been published in magazines such as Wedlux, Chatelaine, and Homestyle. And I've also been interviewed on TV. On this channel, my passion is to share with you this art form that I so much love. And if you love it too, then smash the subscribe button below and you will get all the videos that I post every week. And I've got some upcoming treats for you, so do subscribe and so you don't miss out, and ring the bell so you get notified of everything. See you in the next video. Bye for now.